Where is Carl taking me now? I thought we were going to Colonel Sanders' gravesite. Apparently not, and he's laughing. So I have no idea where he's taking me.
Welcome back, Chronicles crew. Yeah, Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. Today, our adventure takes us to Louisville, Kentucky. It was founded in 1778 by George Rogers Clark, making it one of the oldest cities west of the Appalachians. This is the first time our family's been to Louisville, so we want to see some weird and wacky. We're gonna go to Colonel Sanders' grave and also the world's largest bat. Come join us.
But I'm most concerned about this area in here in red and also purple.
We are now driving, but driving's not always the most simple thing. Right now, there's a level 5 out of 5 regarding a tornado warning here in Alabama.
So I'm like terrified of tornadoes, so this is probably one of the scariest things, but I'm on sky lookout right now. I don't see any swirling clouds, so that's a good sign. Eiffel was telling us that tornado season is in March, April.
There's a little bit of a lull, so we're trying to get out of it. If there is a tornado, I told Melissa she needs to go out there and give a, hey, it's kind of windy, let's go.
We got to our hotel and turned on the news and saw this.
The series of damaging tornadoes sent sparks and debris flying across northern Alabama. The deadly storms reportedly trapping people in their homes.
Man, that was pretty scary. So we just looked at the local news and it said that 5 people died from tornado, basically from Birmingham all the way to Nashville, Tennessee, exactly where we drove.
I'm glad we left when we did.
We did see that the storm was going and there was an empty gap, so we kind of followed that gap and timed it, and yeah, we were really fortunate that you didn't end up a Santos Chronicles tornado edition.
So we find ourselves at McDonald's all the time to go for our potty breaks and also to eat. Let me show you a hack that my sister Eiffel taught us. If you have kids, don't you hate it when you have apple juice and they squeeze it and it goes all over the place? Look at this genius hack. All you have to do is open the sides and make wings so they hold it there so they're not squeezing the juice and there's nothing spilling.
Where is Carl taking me now? I thought we were going to Colonel Sanders' gravesite. Apparently not, and he's laughing. So I have no idea where he's taking me.
0.3 miles away. I am so excited.
Oh boy, I don't know where we're going, people. Oh, I think I see it. Oh no. No.
We never get to anywhere we need to get to very fast. I had time to look at my Roadside America app and I found a world's largest. We are at the world's largest bat. This bat is 120 feet tall and it got put up in July of 1996. Let's go! Can you believe how big this thing is? It's the bat from the Louisville SLUGGER. It's right here by the museum and also factory. But if you want to go here, you need to do a time slot. But we're trying to get home, so we're just gonna take a picture here.
It's very random again, but no, it's pretty cool.
So I'm looking at this building right next to it. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories tall. This would be a total no-no for the local signage laws. But they got around it. You know how they got around it? That bat is also a vent that takes you to the basement, to the bathroom. So the city said, yeah, sure, you can keep it.
That's funny.
So if you look behind me, this is the Kentucky Mirror plate glass. They got into the act. If you look all the way up, a baseball went through a window.
What is this space?
It's a cemetery.
It's not baseball.
No.
It's not baseball, Rosalie.
So we're in a cemetery right now. Apparently Colonel Sanders, KFC chicken founder, is buried here. So we're gonna check out his grave.
That yellow line is used so when you come into the entrance, so you know where the gravesite is. You can figure out how to get here by just following the yellow line. It ends right in front here.
So Rosalie, so this is Colonel Sanders. He's the one that founded Kentucky Fried Chicken. You know how you like to eat chicken? Yeah.
If you guys haven't seen it, we went to a KFC before we went to the mall, and I brought my rice cooker because nothing's better than KFC crispy chicken with some rice. So Colonel Sanders, he died on December 16, 1980. You know, we had to pay homage since KFC is our favorite thing, and really a lot of family events. I'm known for the guy to bring the KFC. It's for Christmas, Thanksgiving. It's almost a tradition. Colonel Sanders was born on September 9, 1890. He was best known for being the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. After creating a secret recipe, the first KFC franchise opened in South Salt Lake, Utah in 1952.
So we had to come here, give respects to Colonel Sanders on behalf of Bex, our friend from the UK, because she loves KFC. Hot, spicy chicken wings. Her channel name is Life with Kids and Cats, so please check her out. We will put her link in the description below.
All right, Mr. Sanders, we have to head home. We gotta pick up Addie before I go to my road trip number 2. It's not over yet, guys.
Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell while you're at it. Until our next journey, bye.